Alrighty, gonna do a quick unboxing here for latest parts. Just came in for this Audi A3. So this guy just came in here from ECS Tuning. So let's take a look at what we got here. So for starters, got the APR turbo muffler delete. This guy right here. It's gonna be paired with this APR turbo inlet pipe. So this little elbow here. Got a much larger opening than the factory piece. That should perform nicely. And then here, got this from ECS Tuning. These are the rear differential inserts here. So for harder launches, better to 0 to 60s. Just a good way to kind of tighten up and prevent any unnecessary drivetrain slop there. So keep everything snug and secure and performing well. Take a look here at this APR turbo muffler delete. Let's go ahead and take this open here and see what's inside. It's a very high quality unit there. Very nice, clean fit and finish. So that's going to go in place of that factory turbo muffler. Kind of get rid of that little baffle in there to get some more nice, pleasant, whooshy sounds coming from that turbo. And I believe this one you get with the APR, as opposed to some of the other models out there from other brands. You do get this O-ring. You do get that O-ring there to keep it nice and sealed. So one less thing to worry about. And of course, get your instructions over at their site there. Came with a little bit of Loctite. Very good. So that is the quick little unboxing here. This APR turbo muffler delete. All right, later guys.